In this video, we review the pointer and the array relationships. So we have two arrays defined, the integer array A and the double array, let's change it to D. Then the first thing we find is that the name of the array is the same as the address of first element in the array. That's what you find in relationships of those two. So what it means is if we compare the name of the array A and then compare address of the first element in that array. So we write the first element using square bracket notation like this, and then we can get address of that using ampersand operator. Then this should be true. That's a first relationship we find. So you can actually print the value of those two. So here is the name of the array with a blank. Let's print address of a first element in the array. Then let's see what you got. This will print something if this condition is true. So let's compile the program. Let's see what's happening. So you can see that name of the array is address of the first element in the array. They are the same. So that's what you find as a first things. And the second one, we can now store the name of the array into a variable. Let's define a variable PA, and then let's store name of the array A. Then what it actually means is we are going to store the address of first element in the array into a variable PA. Now PA is storing address of some other variable. Then PA should be a pointer. To define a pointer variable, we have learned that we give a name of the variable. Prior to that, we give a star, and then before star we give some data type keyword. Here data type keyword is based on what type of variables address you are going to store. In PA, I'm going to store integer type variable address. So since A0 is integer, so I get the address of an integer variable. Thus, in prior to star, I give int. That's a pointer declaration. So here I have assigned the name of the array into pointer PA. Then another relationship we find that if the pointer is assigned to the array name, then you may use the pointer as if array name too. So what I mean by that is if I want to print the value of first element in the array, then I use this notation. Then in second relationship we find is that if the pointer is assigned to the name of the array, then you may use the pointer as if array name. So PA has been assigned to name of the array, then you can use a pointer PA as if array name. That's how we utilize that relationship. So if I compile the program and then run it, see that A0 and PA0, we get the same result. So now let's define another variable, PD, where let's store the array name D there. Then we can define PD as a pointer because it stores address, and then address of what type of variable is double type of a variable. We are going to store that. So we define pointer PD this way. Then PD is assigned to the name of the array, so you can use a PD as if it's the name of the array. So using those two, let's use a loop. So we have 5 elements in the array. Then let's increment. Then using loop, let's print the value. So cout AI equals a PA pointer. Can do that. Also in array D should be same as a PD. So those relationship should be satisfied. So let's compile and run the program and let's see that. So here using the loop, we have accessed the array either by name of the array or the pointer once the pointer is assigned to the name of the array.